Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Exness account to Tradingview, but before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Open the Tradingview website on the browser of your computer. Go to Brokers and you'll be able to see different crypto options. On the Google tab, search for Exness. Click on the first website ad shown here to sign in to your account. You can register here or start a free demo. As I've tried the free trial, it will open a new tab to create an account. You have to enter the country or region along with your email address and password. Click on Continue and choose Demo or Real Account. After that, here, it will show the graph which you can see from different angles. On the Tradingview website, click on Product. Here, you have to go to the economic calendar. You can view the calendar and graph from different angles. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.